Hello, the title of our project is Photoshop, and my name is Matthew Powell.
What up, what up? You know it's your girl Britaney on the block, about to present this Photoshop, and we taking y'all all the way to the top. So let me begin. So, what is Photoshop? Photoshop is an extreme powerful application used by many professional photographers and designers. You can use Photoshop to edit any image however you want to. You can use it for touching up photos, creating high quality graphics, and a lot more. So the project of our goal was to explore the tools and options in Photoshop to improve photographs. So yeah, this is the tools. This is the bar tool that we use to change the colors of whatever we did. Okay, so things you should know about Photoshop is the leading photo editing software on the market. Almost everyone uses it. Regular people to edit their photos, photographers, illustrators, graphic artists, and web designers, to make their website more creative and all of that. So a lot of people uses it.
Did on our project, we were able to get a better understanding by watching different types of videos on creativelearning.com. After finishing the videos, we started to mess around with Photoshop a bit. We started to play. At first it was confusing because in the video it led us to this certain area in the toolbar section, which turned out to be completely false. It was on the other side because and in the video we clearly couldn't see the difference in the contrast from what the man was showing. But after a while we discovered the same buttons from the video tutorial weren't the buttons that we had to use in our Photoshop, and it was on a different area from that point on forward. Fun aspects. It was basically fun just messing around in Photoshop as we got to mess around with the picture itself. We got to change it in different colors. It was extremely weird. Black and white, gray, violet, all that other stuff, yada yada. And the challenges we faced during the project, the issues that we dealt with during the project was actually trying to find a picture, because my partner Britaney is a very, very stubborn Jamaican little girl, and because of that we had many disagreements on she wanted to take a picture of herself. I didn't want her to take a picture of herself.
I'm awesome and beautiful.
She is beautiful, but she's an annoying short midget.
That's what I said. I'm beautiful.
No, I don't care. Stop talking. What type? And so we had disagreements on what type of picture we should work on in Photoshop. I wanted a man with an awesome sword, but she wanted something else. So we came to a consensus and decided to do something as simple as a sunflower.
Okay, so I'm about to show you guys how we did this. So this is what our picture looks like right now. Now I'm going to show you the original. Basically, that's the original. All we did was change the hue and the saturation. So what we did was change the colors, move it up a little, and then we came to this beautiful color right here that I fell in love with.
So right over here is the sections where you're supposed to change your Photoshop picture. Not up here, around in this core area. Around here are the different types of tools you can use. You can use this button to enhance the image. You can use this little paintbrush right here to remove any blemishes off a person's face, such as if a person has a pimple, you would click on this brush and it would wipe down the person's face, and then the blemish would disappear, and etc. For many of these tools up here, they give you specific functions, and this little eraser around here erases some images that you had before. Like here are the different things. Here you see you can change the brightness of the photo. Gives a different shading. Gives sorts of problems. The picture, the contrast, you can tell it's hard to tell by, but you can see that the picture, the sunflower is getting better, or getting brighter, the density of the mask, different types of levels. change it, it's the same thing like usual. Well, otherwise, if you want to change the color of the Photoshop, you can go to the hue button in saturation, mess around, do whatever you want.
Okay, so that's mostly all of that, I guess. So this was,
And conclusion.
yeah, like this was the before picture, and this is what we turned it into. It was really beautiful, huh? Yeah, I know, cause I put my little touch in it, so it's gonna look like, yeah, you know what I'm saying. So that's the end of it, guys. So you already know it's me, Brittany. This is Matthew. Say hi, Matthew. Bye. I said bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, bye.